Looks good to me.
Who's that?
Thomas.
Who's that?
Thomas, let's go!
Merry Christmas, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Hope your holidays are going great. Over here, it's all about trains. Today is day 4 of our Steamies of Sodor backyard Christmas hunt. These are the 10 favorites that made the cut, and that includes Nia, Emily, Gordon, and of course, Thomas, the #1 tank engine. He's our pick for today. He's hiding somewhere in the backyard. But before we go hunting for Thomas, let's learn a little bit more about him. Thomas is the #1 blue engine. He is a cheeky little engine who often gets into scrapes, usually by being overeager to do things best left to bigger and more sensible engines. But clouds never last long in Thomas's world, and soon he's bustling about again, playing his part in the yard and on his very own branch line. Thomas works hard and he always strives to be a really useful engine.
Looks good to me.
Who's that?
Thomas.
Who's that?
Thomas, let's go!
Where are we going? So tell me about the trees that you have already. Where is Nia? Percy? Where's Percy?
Percy.
Mm-hmm.
Thomas, let's
And that
go!
looks like
Thomas?
it's Thomas?
Anyone?
So yes, Auntie Thomas is
So are we ready to go searching for Thomas?
Let's go!
I don't see anything.
Thomas.
What's inside?
Nothing?
There's nothing in there?
Miss?
I see Nia.
I see Thomas.
No, I see Nia. Look over here. What's Nia doing there?
He's stuck in the tree.
Yeah, he's stuck in a tree. Oh, why is she out here? Okay, I see a box right there. You see that box? I see a white box. Oh, there's nothing in there. What about that white box? Do you see it? The white box. No, Baba, come on. There's nothing. Come. Look. I see a white box. Look at the white box. The white box. Yeah. What's in it? Oh, that's not Thomas?
It's not Thomas.
It's not Tom. Oh, what about this one? What's up here? Do you see another? One? What's that? There's another box.
Yeah, there's a how do you get
You need
it?
to go get the box. How do you get that box?
This is good.
Ooh, let's see what's inside her.
How to get to how to move Thomas? Thomas.
You found Thomas.
Thomas is #1 in howdy.
So that's Nia and Thomas.
Pray until thy kingdom come, thy will be done. Pray until thy kingdom come. Pray until thy kingdom come, thy will be done. Pray until thy kingdom come. Suffer the children to come unto me. Kingdom be. until thy kingdom come. Pray until thy
If you like what you saw, please let us know by giving us a little like and subscribe and share. And of course, tell us what you think about the content in the comment section. We thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.